In 2024, a cold-cut sandwich killed 10 people. A listeria outbreak in deli meat, 60 hospitalized, 7 million pounds recalled. Now, here's the part that matters. That exact sandwich is the food I watched 6 AI apps wave through for a pregnant user. Sure, deli turkey is fine, and they're not totally wrong if you reheat it, but nobody reheats a sandwich. This year, more pregnant people ask an AI, "Can I eat this?" than ask a search box. So I ran a real test. 6 tools, 12 actual questions, each answer graded against the FDA and ACOG. By the end, you'll know which one to trust, which one repeats a myth that could hurt you, and why the tool that won isn't the one you'd guess. The question, "Can I eat this?" has always been pregnancy's most searched one. What changed is where it gets asked. In 2025, 62% of pregnant patients put at least one health question to an AI, up from under 20% 3 years earlier. And whatever the chatbot says first becomes the decision. Here's why that's not abstract. Pregnant women are 10 times more likely to get listeria, and about 1 in 4 of those pregnancy cases ends in a loss. Now the twist. The 2026 chatbots got more confident and quietly dropped their disclaimers because users said the hedging felt unhelpful. So the stakes went up and the warnings got thinner. That collision is the whole reason I ran this. Let's start with the myth that showed up the most, and it's a dangerous one. Don't worry, the alcohol cooks off. 4 of the 6 tools told me some version of that about a 30-minute wine sauce. But the USDA actually measured this decades ago. 30 minutes of simmering, 35% of the alcohol is still in the pan. An hour later, a quarter of it's still there. It never fully cooks off, not at normal recipe times. And it isn't just wine. Vanilla in a no-bake dessert, mirin in a marinade, beer in a bread starter, all real alcohol at serving time. Only 2 tools got this right. And here's the tell. They didn't guess, they pulled the number. Category 2 is sneakier. Every tool cleared a plain deli sandwich, reheat it to steaming. Correct. Then I cubed that same deli meat into a cold pasta salad, and the warning just vanished. The risk didn't change. The AI stopped seeing it. Charcuterie boards, antipasto, a lox bagel. The moment the risky thing is an ingredient instead of the headline, the safety flag drops. Now the flip side, and honestly this one surprised me. Gemini flat out banned feta. But pasteurized feta is safe. That's been FDA guidance for years, and nearly all US feta is pasteurized. The AI was stricter than the FDA because it learned from old blog posts. Too loose in one spot, too tight in another, and no way for you to tell which is which. So who actually won? 12 questions, 6 tools, every answer graded against ACOG, the FDA, and the USDA. Here's the whole field at once. The winner wasn't the smartest chatbot. It was Perplexity. Not because it knows more, but because it retrieves, it pulls up the real FDA fish chart and the ACOG page instead of free associating. Claude came second for a different reason. It asked, pasteurized or not? Which fish? Hot smoked or cold? Those questions dropped its error rate below everyone else's. And dead last, me lime. It treats pregnancy-friendly as a recipe filter, not a safety rule, so it happily planned a rare steak and a cold-cut Wednesday. The lesson, in one line, on safety, retrieving beats knowing and asking beats guessing. Now, step back, because there's one pattern under all of it. Every single wrong answer leaned the same way. Yeah, it's fine. Never check with your doctor. Confident, thin disclaimer, wrong in the permissive direction. Take caffeine. ACOG's limit is under 200 milligrams a day, about 2 cups of coffee. 3 of the 6 tools defaulted to the old 300 and only fixed it when I said the word ACOG. And caffeine lingers longer when you're pregnant, up to 65% longer by the 3rd trimester. Small error on one prompt, big error across millions of them. That's the real risk here, not one bad answer, a whole population nudged toward it's fine. So what do you actually do with this? Don't hunt for the one smartest AI. Stack them. Perplexity for the cited, is this safe? Claude for the nuanced, pasteurized or not questions. A planner that remembers the week, so you're not retyping your rules every night. And the part that is not optional, your OB for anything ambiguous. None of this is medical advice. The 5-minute call is free, and it beats a listeria case. So where does Recipy land? Middle of the pack, and I'll tell you why. it uses AI too. What it does better than any chatbot, its dietary registry treats no unpasteurized cheese, no cold smoked fish, as a hard wall the plan can't cross. And its pantry layer catches the wine and the pan sauce every chatbot missed. Its honest gap? No one-tap pregnancy preset yet. Here's the real difference. Other apps just run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. Because a safety rule shouldn't be a filter you can forget. It should be a wall the plan won't cross. And to be straight with you, we build AI into Recipy too. The difference is honesty. It's grounded in real, tested recipes. And when a recipe is AI generated, it says so, right on the card. No fake author. Remember that cold cut that killed 10 people in 2024? The tool that won this test didn't know it was dangerous. It looked it up. So be the person who looks it up. The full 6-tool breakdown is on the blog. Links below. And next time, the food safety window doesn't close when the baby arrives. It just changes. I'm testing AI for the first month home.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.